Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your website much faster or load much faster whenever you click on any page or whenever you open any web page on your website using a cache plugin. So if you have been struggling with your website or pages are much slower, the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and add a cache plugin. Now, by adding a cache plugin, your website will be able to purge all the cache and make your website load fresh and faster than ever before. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I'll head straight to plugins, and for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we shall install just a free plugin that can help us speed up our website and make our website load faster. Once you get to plugins here on your WordPress website, go ahead and click on add plugin. Now, one of the caching plugin that I've been using that is available for free and I find it much suitable and much faster is called Lightspeed Cache. So you can just go ahead and search Lightspeed Cache, and this is the plugin Lightspeed Cache. Once you find it, it has over 7 million active installations, and also it is by Lightspeed Technologies. And you can see the number of reviews is over 2,600. So go ahead and install it by clicking on install now. And once it is installed, now you can activate it. Now, whenever people visit your website, sometimes these websites normally tend to store those files, or any activity that happens, your website will always store those files. And when they store these files might sometimes cause your app or your website to be much slower. So it is good to go ahead and have a file or have a plugin that will constantly offload your website with these files so that it can load much faster. Now, once the plugin is activated, you can see my plugin is activated here. To use it, it is quite simple. You can just head over to this sign here. This is the sign for the Lightspeed plugin. And here you can manage your settings. You can decide to purge all the files. You can purge all the Lightspeed cache files. You can also purge all the CSS and also the JavaScript files. So if you just click on purge all, you can see it will go ahead and purge all the cache on this website. You can see purged all cache successfully, which means my website now is much faster. So you can also go ahead and click on it and then go to settings or manage to try and interact or optimize your plugin in a way that you like it to be, to serve you well. And here you can now go ahead and set up your image optimization. You can optimize your pages and so many other parameters. So you can go through this and optimize each of them as you wish. But the most important thing that I like to be on is this. Make sure that public cache is on and also private cache is on always. If you go under settings, you can also see we have quite a number of settings that you can enable. You can enable cache, make sure the cache is enabled, and by enabling this, your website will constantly be cached. You have to note that when you disable the cache, all cached entries for this site will be purged. That is one thing you have to note. If you go ahead and deactivate this, it will also purge all the cache. You can also enable cache for logged in users. You can also enable cache for commenters and the others. You can see even we have cache for login page and even for mobile. So make sure they are on to optimize your website. Like you can see here, cache for mobile is currently off. I can just go ahead and switch it to on like that. And you can see here we also have list of mobile user agents that are available for cache when using this plugin. Once you are done with your settings, come down here and then click on save changes. So that will be saved. You can also come and check under these other categories, but in most cases, just leave them as they are. They will do a commentable job, and just go through them. And as you can see here, I like just leaving them. You can see for default public cache, it happens after these seconds. You can go ahead and reduce if you want public default cache maybe to happen after maybe 24 hours. You can go ahead and change this to 24 hours. Now you can see the data displayed here is in form of seconds. If you want to cache after 1 hour, you can ask how many seconds are there in 1 hour, and then you'll have to go ahead and multiply it and get the answer. So for instance, if I do that 3600, that is after 1 hour, this will go ahead and cache my website after 1 hour. So go ahead and save the changes. So you can do the same for all the other parameters. You can also come to here under page, make sure that they are turned on, and then save the changes. You can also take time, go through all the others and see what you can do with this cache plugin. So that's how you add a cache plugin and make your website much faster than it was. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.